this towel I'm going to put in the cement. It's like putting a tissue inside the water. After this, we're going to put it here. Now we're going to lift it up. Did you see? Do you see it? Now wait for this to dry. Hi guys! Now we continue our cement painting. So now this vase is dry. You see it's not moving anywhere. This one inside there is a towel. So now today is a different type of painting. We use a spray paint. So this time we're going to use the same color as this one. This is a silver one. So my daddy will help me spray painting. Now he's now spraying. My daddy is now spraying. He has a little more to go. Do you see the steam coming out? Turn on the other side. Inside, we don't care about the inside. Yeah. So the smell is so strong. Now this one's painted, spray painted. So we wait for this to dry. See you again soon. Now do you see the result? The face is all dry. You see how beautiful when you put a plant in the top? With candles. Light up the candles. For now, bye!